So then you have washer and dryer. Then you have full size refrigerator. We on empty right now. You know, we on empty, but it's all good. Had some Taco Bell last night, but got a little chicken nuggets in there. Little chicken fingers, little chicken nuggets, or whatever. So then, I hope I'm not too low. So then you have the cabinetry. Like, look at the cabinets, bro. Come on. And then what's even neat is look at we have underlights. We always wanted underlights, always, which is really cool. So then you have your drawers. No, just regular schmegler drawers. Stainless steel here. You have your dishwasher. You have the sink. And come with the washer bottles out. Like these are the boxes and everything still. I'll get her bottle so I can wash them out. Then we have valet trash, which is so sweet. So we ain't gotta worry about taking the trash out every day. But our water gets extremely hot, and that's one of the things like I kind of hated, you know, at our last apartment. So then you have your little pantry, a big old pantry, like extremely exciting. Now, my mother-in-law gonna let that when she come in, you know. So then this is the living room. Our living room is extremely small, like compared to our last one. And then we have these modular sections, and I don't know how to put them together because it's like really awkward in a way. So basically I'm thinking about just switching everything around. Yeah, it's gonna be extremely hard. I wasn't thinking that it was gonna be this extremely low. I mean, like extremely little. Like when you're coming from a 1,300 square foot apartment to 1,100 square foot, I guess so. But you know, so this is how it looks in the living room so far. Then after that, we're going to the kids' room, and we go to that room. But you know, they have a nice little space, so you can put his bed. He does have a queen size bed, so you can put that over there, and then still get her a crib or whatever, you know, to go right next to it, like probably in this corner. And then like I said, the dresser and stuff can go on this wall here, just to hide this, because I don't want him, you know, picking with this. And this room was set up like roommate style, so you know, that's why you're like, okay, why is that in there? But you have this whole area I'm gonna come in and kind of give y'all a view of everything. So then this is his door. Oh, let me get the door. Oh, that's his door from up there to down here. So then you go in here, and then you have the bathroom. Hey, that's me. So then you have the bathroom, which is really dope. And then you have the closet, kids' closet, walk-in closet. You got something over there. You can still put the dressers and stuff inside here, like on this wall here, right here. You know, they still have a lot of space up there. And I really like it. Let me see. Turn the light on. So yeah, like high, 9 foot. And I think this is more than 9 foot ceilings because it's extremely high. I don't know if they're 12 foot ceilings. I think so. Because they're extremely, well, it might be 9 foot. Alrighty, and let's see. So I got the kitchen. Like, I had to get me some cereal, guys. Had to cereal. Got a cereal space. Okay, anyways, let's keep going. Look at my babies. So this is our bathroom, y'all. I'm in love. I think I'm gonna change the lighting because it kind of look yellow a little bit. But I don't know if it's because it's the cover or not. But I just took a shower, y'all. Oh my God. Like, the water pressure is extremely hard, which I really like. And then, this is our closet. I kind of was, yeah, y'all know the process of moving in. I ain't gotta explain myself. Y'all already know how it is. And you gotta make stuff look cute for the YouTube videos because that's not what we do. And, you know, we just moving in, so it is what it is. Yeah, so this is our room here. I turn the light so you can see how big it is. But yeah, baby Jen is like extremely happy. I need to get this. I'll probably do a thumbnail for this video later. But yeah, so that's the empty apartment tour. Kind of half not empty. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, I'll give you updates on everything, and we just do moving vlogs or moving, you know, series, so y'all kind of go along the journey of decorating and getting stuff in and out here. But thank y'all for watching this video. I enjoy y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. I see my channel growing because of y'all. But yeah, I said I'm about to, you know, get the cleaning. I'm kind of backwards because I always like to shower then clean, which is really weird. Like, I wake up, get all my necessities done, and then I like to go clean. I don't know why. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and see you on my next vlog or series.